What are you doing, Christine?
Protein Huggies back, and with the friendly rock.
Where did you learn that?
Cartoon Network.
Oh. Are you feeling good today?
Yep.
Pretty darn good, it looks like.
Just like the Nutcracker. 1, 2.
What's just like the Nutcracker?
I get it.
Ta-da! Is that what they do in the Nutcracker? Mostly?
Normally they do this and then they twirl. Whee!
But that's hard to do.
Yeah, you need to be on a slippery floor. Like this. Ooh. I tell you to suck your marker juice.
You're silly.
Ooh. Wonder if I can do this. Ow! I like this. One, 2, 3. Set it for you.
You said it for me?
Ooh. I think I can throw it up in there and catch it on one hand. Yay!
Wow.
God, I'm not gonna do that again.
Okay.
I didn't start that.
Where'd you get that snow globe?
From Target.
Who bought it?
You did or I did?
I did, then you paid me back?
Yeah. I think I'll go on the internet.
What else did you buy that day?
That day?
Mm-hmm.
Orbeez.
Orbeez, and what else?
Let me get my business here. Okay.
Silly. What else did you buy?
Orbeez.
And
And
didn't you buy Daddy a Christmas present?
oh yeah! I bought him that. I don't like this chip. I bought him the battleship.
Yeah. You're silly.
This one's much better. There's paper. And we'll be named this. Website.
Is that a computer?
Yep.
A Barbie computer?
See? We'll be named this. This chair hurts my butt.
Alright, sweetheart. I'll see you later. I gotta turn this off.
Later.
Love you. Can you look at the camera and wave?